Today's medical-centric topic is why your hair feels like straw and how to fix it. Does your hair feel rough, dry, or like a pile of straw no matter what you do? You're not alone. Straw-like hair is a common sign that your strands are screaming for help, usually from damage, dehydration, or both. But the good news? You can fix it. Let's break down what's causing the crunch and how to bring back the soft, silky vibes. What causes straw-like hair? 1. Overwashing. Washing your hair too often strips away natural oils that keep it soft and moisturized. 2. Heat styling overload. Flat irons, curling wands, and blow dryers can fry your hair if used too often or without heat protection. 3. Harsh products. Sulfates, alcohols, and strong dyes can weaken your hair and dry it out. That shampoo that lathers like crazy? Yeah, it might be part of the problem. 2. Too much sun or chlorine. Sun damage and pool chemicals can dehydrate and roughen the hair cuticle, making it feel stiff and brittle. 5. Lack of moisture or protein imbalance. Hair needs a balance of moisture and protein. Too little of either can make it dry, dull, and fragile. How to fix it? 1. Switch to a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. Look for formulas labeled hydrating, moisture-rich, or repair. And avoid washing your hair daily. 2 to 3 times a week is usually enough. 2. Deep condition weekly. Use a rich mask or deep conditioner once a week to infuse your hair with moisture. Look for ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, or argan oil. 3. Use leave-in conditioner or hair oils. Lightweight leave-ins and oils like jojoba or almond oil help seal moisture and reduce that rough, dry feeling. 4. Cut back on heat styling. Give your hair a break from daily blowouts and hot tools. When you do use heat, always apply a heat protectant spray first. 5. Trim split ends. Dead ends can travel up the hair shaft and make your hair feel worse. Regular trims, every 6 to 8 weeks, keep it healthy and smooth. 6. Protect it from the elements. Wear a hat in strong sun. Rinse hair before swimming in chlorinated water, and use UV protectant sprays if you're outside a lot. Straw-like hair is usually a sign your strands are thirsty, overworked, or both. With the right care and a few product swaps, you can bring back softness, shine, and strength. No scissors required.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.